Morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Nana. Good afternoon, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all today?
How are you, ma'am?
I'm
Good
fine. How
afternoon,
are you?
ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good ma'am.
Thanks for
Good
being
afternoon,
attending
ma'am.
even by 12:10. Now the time is 12:10. Even after that, you people are having so much patience, and even you people are waiting for the math class. And I'll thank you for that, children. Maintain like this daily. Don't feel like tired. Even I think one more class is left over after this, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Craft
Art
class.
and
Yeah,
craft.
Class.
be patient
Yeah, art
and
and craft.
try to listen the class also. Okay,
Yeah.
let us continue now. Okay, so far what all we have learned? Measurement of length, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we have
Yeah.
learned in this theme for the measurement of length. What are the units of length?
Millimeter, centimeter, millimeter, centimeter, kilometer.
Kilometer.
Millimeter, centimeter, kilometer.
Meters also. Four
Yeah.
units are there,
Yeah,
right?
meter.
Millimeters,
Yeah.
meters,
Centimeters,
millimeters,
meters,
centimeters,
kilometers.
today we learn about what?
Millimeters, centimeters, meters, kilometers.
Yes, these are the units of length.
Length.
Yeah.
See, like how we have learnt about length, now we are going to learn about weight. Weight of
Wait.
particular object. Got to know
Grams,
how to measure the
kilogram
length
and
of
grams
object,
and
right?
kilograms.
Gram,
Yeah.
kilogram.
Grams and
How
kilograms.
to measure the length of the objects you got to know. Even
Yeah.
you people might be knowing how to measure the weight of certain object.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah, a
anybody?
bit of.
Good afternoon, Nana. Anybody want to tell what is weight? Ananya, are you sleeping?
No,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am. She is sleeping on the bed.
Why? You are not feeling today well? You are not feeling well today?
No, I'm feeling fine.
Yeah, then it is looking like you are lying on the bed and you are listening to the classes. Is it right?
It's looking, but it's not. I'm in the
It's not
wall.
that? Okay,
Yeah.
but it's
I'm
looking like
sitting.
that.
Oh.
Okay.
Keep me randomly.
The others should on your video, children. Rohin, Vishwa,
She is
Ronab,
in bed only.
Sneha, Chadvit, Medha, Harshini, David, on your videos. Today we'll discuss about weight. Anybody want to tell what is weight?
Hmm.
Knows what is weight? Weight.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh, who is that? So excited.
Harshini.
Harshini,
Ashwini.
how are you? Good afternoon.
Good, ma'am.
Ma'am, today my sister is excited because it is today my grandmother's birthday.
Oh, that's why she's so excited.
Yeah.
Very nice. Convey my wishes also.
Page number is 9. Making a
Okay,
party
Nana.
today.
I'll mute you now.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, page number.
Disturbance is occurring. Let me mute you, children. I thought to listen your responses from you people, but a little kind of disturbance is occurring, so that's why I have muted you, children. So, no page number, nothing. First, you listen to me. I'll tell you afterwards. After I explain you what is weight, I'm going to make you open the books, okay? First, listen what is weight. Let me write the spelling of weight here. W-E. Anybody want to tell the weight spelling? Kavish? Kavish, I cannot able to unmute you. Hansika, do you want to tell the spelling of weight? You can unmute. You can unmute yourself. Tell me. No, I can't hear you. Danish,
Yes, ma'am.
spelling of weight.
WEG
Hmm.
H
Hmm.
T.
Okay, one letter you swallowed. Once again, you want to try? Vishnu, don't play with all that kind of things. Put it aside. Danesh.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
W
Very
E
good.
G H T.
Again.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. Who is this? Hansika?
Yes.
Ah, tell me, Hansika.
W I
W.
I
Ah, okay.
G H
Ah.
T.
You also swallowed one letter. Okay. Well, Shrestha. Tell me,
Yes,
Shrestha.
ma'am.
See, don't do anything in the course book until I explain you. You should not do anything in the course book or else in the notebook or else in the textbook. Tell me the spelling of weight.
Weight of ma'am.
Weight.
W E
Ah,
I G H T. Weight.
okay. The weight spelling is what? Weight. Weight. What do you mean by weight, Sahasra? Tell me, what do you mean by weight? Others can mute yourself, children. What do you mean by weight? Make it fast. I need faster responses from you, children. Yes, Rohit? What do you mean by weight?
Ma'am.
Yes, Rohin.
Ma'am.
Tell me,
What,
Nana.
ma'am?
What do you mean by weight? What is called weight? Weight. Can you
Ma'am, there's lots of disturbance from here in my house. So I cannot. Ma'am.
okay, some problem is there. You listen to me carefully, okay? Okay, now anybody, okay, let me explain. Anybody else? Anybody raised hand here? Okay, 3 persons have raised hand. Let me ask them. It is Arham, Shatrishi.
Ma'am,
Well,
which is
Wait. Wait.
ma'am, which thing is everything that is called weight, ma'am? That object.
Okay, something closer to the definition. Next, Akshay. Arham.
Ma'am, the thing is light or heavy.
The measurement. We'll measure no which one is heavy and which one is lighter. The measure of objects, whether they are, yes, Danesh, listen to me carefully. See, if we measure certain objects, like how much heavy it is or how much lighter it is, that is called weight. Okay. Suppose if you catch your pencil, you catch in one hand, catch in one hand, hold in one hand, and your textbook, math textbook is there with you people. Math textbook is there with you people. Now hold the textbook in one more hand. Hold your textbook in one hand and your pen in one more hand. Could you feel the same kind of feeling? Could you feel same kind of feeling after
No, ma'am.
both the things in your hands? See,
No, ma'am.
if you hold pencil in your hand, you feel lighter, right? It is very light. But whereas
Wait.
if you put textbook in your other hand, it is a little bit, somebody your hand is going down. Why? The weight of this is heavy, more. The weight of this textbook is more than the weight of this pen, right? The pen is lighter. That's why we can move it up like this and we can play with it like this. Whatever we want, we can do with it as it is very lighter. But can we play like pen? Like just now I have hold my pen and I was playing with like this. No, can you play with
No,
it?
ma'am.
Why? Because it is little heavy, right? Right, children. It is little heavier than pen. Where you hold this. I have hold my pen here. So this is lighter than this text. And Arham, what happened, Arham? Textbook is heavier than this pen. Pen is lighter than this book. Right. Like that, we can see so many things in our daily life. So many things we can see, right? Which are lighter objects as well as which are heavier objects. Ayan, tell me some lighter objects like pen and some lighter objects. Can you say
Ma'am.
any two names of lighter?
Ma'am, like pen, pencil, and eraser
Eraser
and sharpener,
will be very light.
Sharpener.
Sharpener
Scale.
also will be very light.
and ball also, small ball.
Small ball also, plastic balls. Plastic
Scale.
will be more heavy, lighter than the other cork balls. All these will be there. No, those are a little bit heavier, right? I'll share you. Just a second. Somebody is making sounds. Mute yourself, children. See, you can see some lighter objects here. Nail polish bottle, comb, scissors, cutters, and all these will be very lighter. See, earrings. Earrings also will be very lighter, right? These all the things which you feel very lighter if you hold it, right, children? They will be in grams and milligrams. Lighter objects are measured in what unit? Like we have for length, the units of length are what? Millimeters, centimeters. The lighter units, the smaller units of length. What happened, Shrestha? Shrestha, are you okay? Listen to me carefully. See here, lighter objects are the things like we used to measure the smaller objects. The units of length are what? Millimeters and centimeters. Like the units of weight for lighter objects are milligrams and grams. Milligrams are the units used to measure very lighter objects. Like see, here you can see these earrings. Earrings will be the, just now you have hold a pencil with you, right? The pencil is more lighter object, right? And these earrings will be more lighter than this pencil. These earrings which you can see here will be. Hansika, look at the screen. Listen carefully. See, than this pencil, the earrings which you can see are very much lighter than this pencil. So such kind of objects where you feel very lighter are measured in milligrams. Milligrams. And a little bit more heavier, like the, see, here some almonds, dry fruits you can see here, right? If I take one almond from it, if I take one almond from it, what is the weight of it? It will be in grams, lighter, right? In grams. See, if a big packet of rice, what is it called? Sack of rice. Stacks of rice sacks. Like sack of rice means at your home, where the rice is stored in bigger packets, right? That will be very heavier. And your school bag. School bag is also very heavier. That kind of heavier objects will be measured in kilograms. See, here coconut is there. Coconut is little bit heavier than this orange. So coconut will be measured in kgs. Heavier objects are measured in kilograms. Okay, children. So what are the smaller units of weight? Smaller, very smaller units of weight equal to milligrams. Very lighter weights are measured in milligrams. And how it is mentioned, Hansika, please look at the screen and listen carefully. Others also. Milligrams are the units used to measure very, very lighter objects. See, and this is the units for it is mg. Okay. Next. Smaller units of weight. Very smaller units of weight is milligrams. Now smaller units of weight is equal to grams. Grams are denoted by G. Next. Now bigger units used to measure heavier objects. Okay. Bigger units of weight. Bigger units of weight is what? Kilograms. And the units of kilograms is what? Kg. Now tell me, look at the board and read those. Very smaller units of weight is what? Milligram. Danish, what you are doing there? You reading? Are you looking at the screen? Eyes are paining. Any problem, Danish? Nothing? Then read all of you. Very smaller units of weight is what? Milligrams. Smaller units of weight is what? Grams. Bigger units of weight is what? Kilograms. I'll ask you now. Shanmuka.
Ma'am,
Bigger units of weight is what?
bigger
Bigger unit of
units
weight
of
is what?
kilogram.
Kilograms. Means kg. In kg it will be. Okay. Shrikar. Very
Ma'am.
smaller units of weight is?
Ma'am, I didn't saw board. Nothing
Very
board.
smaller unit of weight is?
Grams.
Very smaller units I asked. Very
Very
lighter ones.
milligram.
Milligrams. And it is denoted by what?
mg.
mg. Tell me smaller units of weight is? Smaller units of weight? Grams. I cannot hear you. Vishwatsen. Okay, you said that grams. Okay, how it is denoted as? Grams are denoted by letter G. Okay, G. Now let us see some objects here. Open. Okay, some notes is there that you have to write. Okay, I'll make you to write later. First, you open page 135, children, in textbook.
Ma'am, 125.
135, textbook page 135.
135.
Yes, Hasna. Read out, Hasna. You have raised your hand.
The weight of the falling and check with your friend.
I cannot get your point. Say again. Medha, on your video. All of you should turn on your videos. I'll not be pointing out your names now. Make it fast. Advit, Ronav. Okay. Now open textbook page 35. Before we go to that, let me explain you some more little part like smaller objects. I said no, just no milligram. Okay. Nearer ones will be after. How you'll know the weight? How you got to know that? Now you got to know that smaller objects will be measured in the weight of smaller objects will be measured in milligrams and grams. Okay. Heavier objects, lighter objects, let us say, lighter objects are measured in grams, milligrams and grams. Heavier objects are measured in kgs, right? But accurately, the exact weight, how you will come to know? How you will come to know the exact weight of it? See, why this weight is necessary for everything, whatever is there. Sahasra, what you are doing there, Sahasra? Dancing? You're you're seeing your weight? Huh? Tell me. I cannot hear you. Okay. Why this measuring weight is so necessary? For everything, measuring of weight is so necessary. Simply, you cannot say like by just looking at the chair, oh, it will be in kgs. That's all. And by just looking at your headphones, you cannot say like it will be in grams. Some particular weight should be there, like 2 grams or 3 grams, maybe 100 grams. All this, how you will come to know? How you will come to know? By based on the standard weights, the units, the value of the units like 1 kg is equal to 1 kg means 1 kilogram is equal. Let's come to grams first. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. Means after 1000 milligrams, it becomes 1 gram. Suppose you take an almond. Almond, do you all know what is almond? Badam.
Yes, ma'am.
If you take 1 piece of almond, it will be of 1 gram. Okay, it will be of 1 gram. So, if you take, how many milligrams will be there in this? 1000 milligrams will be there in this 1 gram of almond. Okay, now come to 1 kg. 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. That means if you collect 1000 almonds, it becomes 1 kg. In 1 kg packet of almonds, if you find, you may find 900 to 1000 almonds will be there according to the weight. Why? Because I cannot tell you exactly that each almond will be exactly 1 gram only. Sometimes you may see small sized almonds. Sometimes you may see big sized almonds like that. The weight may vary there. Okay. But estimation we can do like 1000 number of almonds if they are there, nearer to 1000 if they are there. If you find a packet where 1000 almonds are there or nearer to 1000 are there, then we can say 1 kg of almonds are there. 1000 grams makes 1 kilogram. Okay, 1000 grams makes how much? 1 kilogram. And 1000 milligrams makes 1 gram. Let us see once again the values of it. Remember carefully all of you. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. 1 G You people are feeling sleepy? I have muted. Okay. Now, children, what I have written here, read for 5 times. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Each one for five times. After that, we'll go to textbook and then some part of notes is there. I'll give you the notes and course book work homework. Read all of you for 5 times. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Read all of you. Shanmuka, are you reading? Shrestha, Kavish, Harshini, are you there? Ayan, Ananya, are you reading? Okay. Akshat, Sahasra, Srikar, Danesh, Medha. Read for 5 times all of you. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Now let us estimate what is given in the textbook there. How can we guess that? See, if you want to prepare a dish like, suppose if you want to prepare gulab jam, anybody is having gulab jamun mix at home? At home, anybody is having gulab jamun mix packet is there with anybody at home? You have, Ananya?
Yeah,
Do you
ma'am.
find it now? Will you get it now?
Ma'am, it's in my fridge.
Go and get it fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, see, Srikar is showing. Ananya, no need, come.
Nah.
See, Srikar, very good. Buy one, get one free. MTR, it seems. Okay, turn it back, Nana. Srikar. See, there, where is weight given? Weight is given like
Wait.
maybe it is in grams only. Maybe of 350 grams or 400 grams, like that it will be shown there. Down, I think.
Yeah, I also saw in mine.
Yeah, there only.
The
There.
same packet was there in mine too.
Really? Yeah, you can see, Srikar.
Where?
Put it closer to the camera so that everybody can see it. Some more closer.
Ma'am,
More
it's
closer.
blur.
It's not clear. It's not
It's blur.
not clear. Okay, let me. Okay, Srikar, tell me. We cannot see the weight here. You tell me how many grams it is. Unmute yourself and tell me, Srikar. Your video got stuck, Nana. Unmute yourself, Srikar.
Ma'am, 160 grams plus 15 grams.
How much? Again, tell me.
160 grams plus 15 grams extra is equal to 170 grams.
Okay, 15
175 grams.
extra. Okay, very good. See, all of you, once you try this kind of packets on that, weight will be given like WT, means the short form of weight. It is given in the Srikar's packet, on the Srikar's Gulab Jamun mix packet as 160 grams plus 50 grams extra, it seems. Overall weight is how much? 175 grams. 175 grams of packet is there with Srikar. Okay, like that you observe, all of you, in on Oreo biscuit packet, whatever you have, not only gulab jamun mix packet, smaller objects like biscuit packet, or else some kind of smaller lighter object packet is there. No, you observe on those packets, this kind of weight is given so that you can understand what kind of weight it will be. You can estimate. Okay, heavier objects will be more than kgs, and on heavier objects, like if you take Ashirvad flour will be there, no? Wheat flour. Ashirvad wheat flour.
Ma'am, yesterday only I bought Ashirvad wheat flour.
Everybody will be having this wheat flour packets. Maybe it is
Yeah.
Ashirvad or some kind
Yesterday only I
of
bought.
brand names, maybe. some other new words and new ones also are coming, no? Instead of Ashirwad. Cheki fresh
I
atta,
think,
all these.
yeah,
Cheki
I
fresh
take
and all
Ashirwad.
these floors, on these floors, no? What kind of weight will be given, like 1 kg packets or maybe 5 kg packets? Those are
I
heavy
took,
weight ones, not lighter weight
yeah,
ones. So those will be shown like kgs. You try today, okay? You try to observe all the packets, whatever are there, grocery items will be there. No, once you check it out, the
I will,
weight of on
I will
weight
check
of
the
it,
weight in my weighing
don't use
machine.
that only. Okay, whatever the
Ma'am,
grocery
can,
packets items do you have, no? Once check on all the backside of the packets, the weight of them will be given in grams and kgs. Okay, children.
ma'am, we can check in weighing machine.
Yeah, if you have, it's better. Do you have
Yeah,
anybody having
I have,
beam
ma'am.
balance? Beam balance at your home? Beam
I
balance
have,
will be like this in the shape of. Like,
yeah,
anybody is having? I'll show you. Wait, I have the picture.
I have different type of, it's digital.
Really? Okay, digital ones you have. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
It is more, so that is digital ones will be directly showing you the weight and
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Show you the beam balance now. See, this is the beam balance, children.
Wow.
This is the one kind of beam balance. Yeah, Srikar, something you are showing? Ah, that is a digital ones.
We will keep one heavy
Okay,
stuff
we'll
and
check
one
the
light
weight
stuff.
of it, right?
Yeah,
We'll check your weight on it. The Srikar which he is showing, no, that is a digital ones where we'll check the weight and all. Okay. That is,
I
that
have,
is one kind
I
of
can check
item
my weight.
used to check weight. This is
Yeah,
mostly in grocery shops, in vegetable markets, no? They'll use no
when I went, I
balance.
saw.
They'll hold like this and they used to measure, no? In vegetable markets mostly. That is
Yeah,
called beam balance. Where, see, you can see colorful pictures here, colorful ones, right?
yeah,
Wait a minute.
colorful.
I'll point out here so that I'll highlight here. See, you can
Okay,
see
ma'am.
colorful weights here, right? These are the
Wow,
weights used to measure, used to balance the items with these weights. Like it will be started from 50 grams onwards. Suppose this smaller green color one where you can see maybe of 50 grams, and red color
ma'am,
small ones you can see that may be of 100 grams, and this
ma'am,
one maybe, yeah, Nana, tell me.
ma'am. They also use a type of stones which are metal type of. They have pentagon shape
Metal
and
ones, very heavier
yeah,
ones, no? Like a round
yeah.
shape will be there. If possible, I'll be showing you tomorrow that kind of images.
I saw that in different shops. Like
Yeah.
while we go
So
to roads,
on one
then
side,
some shops
yeah,
come.
okay, Nana. On one side, if we put this weight, and if, on another side, what we'll do? We'll put the objects on another side. Both should get balanced. Then we confirm that this is of this much weight. If you put
Oh,
suppose if you put a 300 grams weight on one side, and if you put another any of the object other side, if both gets balanced, like on see both are of same on same side, like balanced both, right? Then you can say that the object will be of 300 grams. You once observe in a vegetable market how they used to weigh the things. Like suppose if you ask half kg tomato, how they will do? They will take a 500 grams weight with them.
yeah.
They will be putting on one side. They will be putting the weight on one side. On another side, they used to put going on putting the tomatoes until they get balance. Right, until they get
Ma'am, we
balance.
can also make it at home. We can take a cum box in middle and make a scale over there,
Yeah,
and then we can
keep the
keep the
scale over
stuff.
there in the digital clock also. You
Yeah,
going on putting the weight on the on any bowl and see how many grams it is. It will be directly counted, right? On a
yeah.
digital ones, if you go on putting the weight on it, yeah, Vishwak, you are showing something. Yeah,
I,
he's showing
ma'am, I
the
have that.
digital ones. Yes.
I have that.
See, the Vishwak is showing the digital ones, right? See,
Ma'am, I
keep
can
on
see.
putting the weight on it. No, what happens? It will be directly showing how many grams or how many kgs.
Wow. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, children.
I
Now
also.
let us do this
Yeah.
textbook part. I don't know what the time is left over. It's complete.
Ma'am, only 1
Make
minute.
it fast. Make it fast. Now
Hmm.
come to this hen. Hen will be of how many kgs? Maybe nearly it will be of 2 kgs, children. Right?
2 kg.
Yes, 2 kgs or 3
2.
kgs. Not exactly
I will write 2
the weight
kg.
will be. It may be. No, I'll write.
Ma'am,
Nina-
2 kgs.
Yes, 2 kgs. Write down.
Yeah. Done. Banana. A banana.
Banana. See,
Oh.
banana will be
Uh,
one banana will be approximately 100 grams. You can
so
estimate like each will be of 100 grams. Then you take
there are 2.
200 grams. G you put
Okay.
200 G.
200 G. Done.
David, all of you should on your videos. Come to next one. Hammer. Hammer will
Hammer
be
would
nearly
be
1 kg or 500 grams to 1 kg. Okay,
okay. If 2 hammers,
2 kgs.
oh,
Coming to books, small spiral book is there where you used to
yeah,
write phone numbers and all, right? It
I
will be
have
maybe
that.
of 5 grams. Approximate
5
values we are writing
grams.
here. Okay, 5
That's
5G.
too much. Too less weight.
Yeah,
This would be
this will be maybe of 15 grams. Lighter weight ones, right? These all are lighter ones. Football.
football. It would be kg.
Okay.
100 grams.
Yeah, maybe nearly 100 grams. Chair, maybe nearly of 2 kgs.
Yeah.
Tomatoes, here given 3 tomatoes. 3
3
tomatoes,
tomatoes.
take it as 300 grams. Okay.
Okay,
Can you
ma'am.
fill up the remaining ones, children? Coming to elephant, children here, a very heavier book,
Ooh,
right? Elephant,
too
can you
much of
hold it?
kgs.
Can you hold it like a baby? Baby elephant is
No.
there. Can you pick it
No,
like,
not that
like
much
a baby?
too.
Yes?
We can sit on it, but we can't
Yeah, we can sit on it,
take,
but we
yeah,
cannot hold it with our hands.
yeah.
Why? Because it is very heavier, right? Very heavy.
Very.
A small baby elephant only will be of 100 kgs.
My goodness.
Nearly 100 kgs, 80 to 100 kgs it will be.
Oh.
Hmm. Okay, other things you people can find it out. Okay, you people can do it. Other things, and I'll give you course book work also as homework.
Ma'am,
Page 9 from course book. Yes,
ma'am, what would be the weight of the brush? That brush.
brush
So
will be
it's
grams.